Hey, it's Mark at American Tank, and today we're out in the Rhino shop. I put together another ladder. I'm just so excited about these things. I had to do another quick video because, man, the more I put these together and work on this project, the more I love it. So galvanized ladders for poly tanks, which, man, I've been doing this a long time. I think I mentioned in another video, in 44 years, I've just never seen anybody do this, and I don't know why. But we need it bad. There is no way to put a ladder on a poly tank a good way. And we're doing it here at American Tank. This is our galvanized, hot dip galvanized ladder for a 5,000 gallon, 10-foot diameter Norwesco poly tank. It is super lightweight, easy to move around. These brackets are curved, custom curved to that exact diameter. And then we've got aircraft style winches and straps right here. They just click in on this side, go around the tank, and they're going to go through the ratchet, and you just tighten them up. Nothing to it. 3 straps. All this is missing before it ships here is it's going to get non-skid material on the back to put a super grip on the tank, and boy does it grip. And yeah, I just love this product. You know, little caps on the ends, you know, and now we switched to I switched to these button head. We build a lot of tanks and we use button head bolts for tanks. They're smooth. And so we're just like eliminating all the sharp edges and everything we possibly can on these ladders. Got our safety stickers on them. It's just so easy. For local customers like this, we went ahead and just put it together because they're going to just pick it up in a pickup truck and take it home and put it on. This whole thing knocks down, can ship either UPS or on a pallet. Depends what size it is. We can do them with a OSHA safety cage on it if it's a tall ladder, whatever you need. But just super cool way on a new tank, and especially on an old tank where you've got to climb up and service it, and everybody's got these step ladders and tall extension ladders leaning up against that tank. And I'll tell you what, man, I know a lot of well and pump guys. They all hate having to climb those stupid ladders because they just want to slide all over and they're not safe. So it's a great solution to that problem. Get up there and adjust your float switches and check stuff in your little top manway on a poly tank. So that's it. Just wanted to share that with you. You know, we're going to have to, I got to give you guys a tour of the Rhino shop sometime, but you just take a look. We do all sorts of cool stuff. 8-inch fittings for poly tank. These are all 8s. We're doing a whole batch of 6s over there in the welding area. You got all our pressure plates right here on the ground, right in front of us. You can see right here. And we do all sorts of cool stuff. So one of these days, I'll give you a detailed tour. We got, these are for seismic restraint systems that we make for poly tanks. All sorts of stuff. And if you didn't know, man, we make plastic fittings and boltless fittings. Oh, I know, you're gonna have to wait. Plastic and PVC and CPVC and nylon and what else we got? Sometimes even Delrin and all sorts of stuff. So been doing this a long time. So separate video coming soon on the Rhino shop and what we do. You know what? I'm going to do tank fitting 101, and I'll pull some stuff off the shelves. We got a lot of stuff in here, man. Just boxes and boxes and just tons of stuff for stainless fittings and plastic fittings, and yeah. So thanks for joining us. See you again soon. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we really love putting these together. There'll be more in the future, and in the meantime, if you have any questions, give us a call. Our team's here and ready to help. 877-655-7100.